Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook rice noodle with beef. And these are the ingredients you need. Half a pound of ground beef, ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, nappa, onion, carrot, sesame oil, cornstarch, oil, light soy, oyster sauce, rice noodle, salt, and water. First, we're going to marinate the beef. 2 tablespoons of light soy, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, about 2 teaspoons of water, and then mix it. Everything is mixed, adding 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to lock the moisture. Mix and set aside. Okay, this is half a pound of nappa leaves, so I'm going to wash it. Okay, I'm going to chop it. I separate the leaf and the stem, and I will cook the stem first because it takes longer to cook. Okay, my carrot is washed and peeled. I'm going to use half a carrot because this one is a big one. And then I'm going to slice it thinly. The onion. Just mince the garlic. It does not have to be so small. Just cut a couple pieces of the ginger. I have 3/4 pot of water, and we are going to cook the water to boil, and then we put in the noodle. Okay, my water is boiling. I'm only cooking half a package. The package is 400 grams. Cook it to al dente, and then you take it out, okay? I'm going to set it aside, and while we are waiting, I have to cook the other ingredients to go in. My pan is hot. I am adding in the beef. I can see the color change, so I have to turn it over. And then pick up some grease. Pick up the beef, it's all cooked. I'm going to put it aside. Putting in the onion until the smell comes out. Add in the ginger and the garlic. Add in the carrot and the stem of the nappa. Add in a little bit of water. Cover it up. Cook for 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes has gone by. I'm going to add in the rest of the beef. I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy. I'm going to add in the beef. Cover for 1 minute because the leaf is not fully cooked. Okay, 1 minute has gone by. More water comes out from the vegetable, so now mix it. Now I'm going to add in the noodle. Loosen it before you add it. Mix it until everything is mixed. Then it's ready. Okay, my noodle is all mixed now. Turn off the heat. Add in about 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix it all together, and it's ready to serve. This is a 2 to 4 people portion, okay? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.